Hey again. So today you are going to choose one of the color schemes that we worked on yesterday. So you're going to choose one of these boxes up here. We're not going to worry about rainbow. We're not going to choose rainbow, but you can either choose primary, secondary, tertiary, warm colors, cool colors, one of the complementary color pairs, so just purple and yellow or blue and orange or red and green, etc., or a set of analogous colors. Okay, so you're choosing one of those color schemes and you're going to draw a picture using just those colors. So for example, if I was going to use warm colors, I would draw a picture of just using yellow, orange, red, yellow, orange, and red violet. Okay, so maybe I would draw like a sunset or something like that. So choose one of the color schemes and draw a picture just using those colors on a separate sheet of paper and then upload it to our slides. Can't wait to see what you guys come up with.